want to add a picture to your video? Here's how to insert it in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, open your project in Premiere Rush and go to the Media tab. Import your picture from your computer and drag it onto the timeline. Next, resize and position the picture by selecting it and using the transform tool. You can add animations or transitions if you like. If you want a picture to appear only for part of video, trim the image in the timeline. Let me know in the comments if you have added a picture to your video. Now your video looks amazing. Experiment with different transitions and effects for your pictures. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.